So hello friends, we are back with another video and this time we have Divyansh. He's an old friend of mine. We were in the same building and now he is with us. So he will do the review with us. And we have our regular Mr. Father. I'll introduce both of them. We'll start with Divyansh. How are you, Divyansh?
I'm fine भैया.
You're fine, brother.
Yes.
How is everything? How's life?
सब अच्छा है भैया.
सब अच्छा है. Perfect. Now we'll come back to Father. Father is all, as you know, is a pretty common face on this channel.
Thank you, Siddharth,
Yes.
for introducing me for your reviews of the
Yes.
snacks
Of
series.
course, Father. I love you, Father.
It's very nice to be in this platform.
Yes.
And this will be my opinion, and please don't take as exactly what the others taste like. But
All right.
all are my opinion.
Your opinion is
Yeah.
very much respected
Sure,
by
sure.
my audience, by us.
Sure.
So I just want you to be comfortable, Father, and we'll begin. All
Yeah,
right,
yeah,
we'll
just
begin.
start.
All right. So today in this video, we will be reviewing snacks imported straight up from America. Represent. All right then. American snacks, we ordered it from Blinkit. We didn't actually got it from America, so bear with us. So we have with us Blue Doritos International Ranch, cool ranch flavor, and it's pretty new in India. It's not American per se, but it's very popular in America. So we're gonna be trying that. All right then, Divyansh, bring it on. All right, this is our
Dori.
International Cool Ranch Doritos. It's quite popular in America. I've heard ranch flavor is very popular in America. So we'll try this, Father. You're
Yeah,
excited?
Sure. Yeah. I am very much excited.
And we have with us this classic ranch dressing because apparently Americans love ranch dressing with their snacks, with their Doritos, with their Lays and whatever. They just use ranch flavor with everything. So we'll try it. Why not, right? All right. So this is our classic ranch dressing. This is how it is, and I'll show you what the texture is like. All right. Perfect. This is our ranch and we will be using this quite frequently because Americans love their ranch dressing. This is how the ranch dressing looks. The smell, it's strong, right? It's strong. It's strong. The smell
Wow.
is pretty strong.
What a fine aroma.
Yeah, right? I am
Amazing.
very excited. Perfect. So this is our International Cool Ranch and we will be reviewing this snack. Bring it on, Divyansh. Tell us how it is.
Amazing taste.
Amazing.
Yes.
Perfect.
Very yummy.
Hmm? I liked it. I liked it. That was a very good taste. I think I enjoyed it. It's something I would like to just roll up with in a party or a movie. I liked it. What did you think, Father?
Yeah, I like the flavor which I like while entertainment, seeing movies, TV, and Doritos, as well as what do you have? Viva, है ना? Classic ranch
Yeah.
dressing. Actually, both the combinations are very fine, classic,
Yeah.
very amazing.
Amazing taste.
As I rating as well as rating, I will giving him 8.5 out of 10.
8.5.
Yeah.
All right.
In combination of both.
Combination of both. It's a very good, different taste
Yeah,
at both,
yeah,
right?
sure.
It's not something you usually eat in
No.
India at all, right?
Yeah.
What did you think, Divyansh?
मैं इसको रेटिंग दूंगा 10 में से 9 दूंगा.
10 में से 9. But how did you like it?
वेरी टेस्टी. ये बहुत अच्छा लगा मेरे को. क्या बोलते हैं इसको, मतलब इसका टेस्ट काफ़ी अच्छा था. नाचोस की तरह था काफ़ी.
Yeah.
और मुझे खाने में अच्छा लगा बहुत ज़्यादा.
I would give it a solid 9 out of 10. I loved it. And I'm gonna be using this quite a lot for our different snacks we have today. I like this ranch. Americans, you guys are on to something. You guys have your own lehsun ki chutney in America there as well. I'm proud of you guys. All right, then we'll move on to another.
Move to another.
Perfect. We have Cheetos, flaming hot, crunchy, imported straight up from America. We're gonna be reviewing this. Apparently, it's hot. Cheetos is quite a classic, right? But it's something you don't find in India anymore. It's a lost legend. So I'm quite excited to try this one. I am pretty positive this will be good, but we'll try this. All right?
Sure.
Yeah. Open it up for us, Divyansh. Open it up. Open it up. Open it up. Perfect. Oh God! Just look at the texture. It just looks.
मिर्च जैसा लग रहा है.
Yeah, ऐसा लग रहा है कश्मीरी लाल मिर्च में इसको डुबा दिया है.
मतलब डुबाया हुआ है.
Damn.
इसमें क्या वो लिखा हुआ है इसमें?
It's flaming hot flavor.
Means very much
चिली.
Yeah, it's
Hot?
chili.
Oh.
Interesting flavor. I think I like it. It's like kurkure, but it's
Exactly. पर इसका फ्लेवर जो है
different. It's a little different. I can't explain how different it is, but it is different for
सरफेस
sure.
टेक्सचर्स जो है बहुत डिफरेंट है इसका.
Yeah,
वैसे मैं
it's tasty. It's something I would like to munch on. I would give it a solid 8 out of 10.
actually I don't like chilies.
All
So
right.
I think my rating will be 7.
7.
Yeah.
All right.
My rating also is 7.
7.
Yes.
All right then. That was little low. We'll ask her father why
Just try it with this. I think what the flavor is coming.
I'll try it as well.
वाह मजा आ गया इससे.
Yeah, right.
इसके साथ तो बहुत मतलब ये ऐड ऑन हो गया है बहुत.
It's a classic flavor.
मेरे को लगता
I
है
love
इसके
this.
साथ में
This
add
is Americans. You have impressed me with this.
बहुत अच्छा है. गुड.
Good.
दोनों के कॉम्बिनेशन में फिर मेरा रेटिंग 1 पॉइंट बढ़ जाएगा.
That is amazing.
सच्ची में बहुत टेस्टी है. मैं बहुत टेस्टी लगा ये.
Good. Good, Divyansh. All right. We'll move on to the next one. That was a very good flavor. I enjoyed it. All right then. We'll do something sweet. Right? Like we have tried 2 wafers.
As you wish.
We'll do something sweet. All right. We'll do the M&Ms. All right then. We have our next flavor. We have our next snack. This is classic M&Ms peanut flavor. Try some, father.
Orange one.
I think it's quite a lot for me, so I'm just gonna put it back gently if I am able to. Oh, I think I'm not. So I'll just, this is good. I'll try the orange as well. I like it. Very chocolatey.
Chocolate.
Very good. It's better than gems, definitely. It's like nutties, right? Cadbury nutties. What do you think, father?
नटीज तो मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया, लेकिन फिलहाल जो ये आइटम्स है मुझे
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. चॉकलेटी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से. और इस एक्चुअली क्रिप्सी भी है.
It's crispy.
क्रिप्सी और
Equal
इसमें
times crispy, yes.
उसमें जो फ्लेवर आ रहा है ना,
Yeah.
चॉकलेटी फ्लेवर है.
Chocolatey, definitely.
वेरी गुड.
Definitely.
रिव्यू आई विल बी गिविंग 7.5.
7.5. All right. What did you think, Divyansh?
मेरे को ये चॉकलेट फ्लेवर लगा था, तो मैं चॉकलेट से कम खाता हूँ थोड़ी, पर है ना मैं इसको 5 में से 5.5 दूंगा.
10 में से
10 में से क्या बोलते हैं 6.6.
6. Perfect. I loved it. I would give it 7.5 out of 10. Enjoyed it. Very good flavor. With peanutty, chocolatey, and there's a very nice outer coating to it all that finishes it up. solid 7.5 out of 10. Perfect. We'll move on to the next one. All right then, we have the green American flavored Lays. We have this as well. We have the American sour cream and onion. But this is quite different. I really like the packaging of it all, and the onion is different. The packaging is very different. It's the green Lays, you know.
Lays.
Yeah, it's the green Lays. It's the American green Lays.
इंडिया में जो ग्रीन है ना अपने इसमें जो हल्दीराम आता है इसमें अलग फ्लेवर जैसे लगता है कि वो पुदीना.
All right.
अब इसमें क्या है आई डोंट नो. जस्ट वी विल ट्राई.
No, but there's a green Lays in India also. No, it's the same flavor.
सेम आई डोंट.
Yeah, it's just they Indianized the.
I haven't recognized all the things.
All right, all right. Open it up. What is Divyansh? Struggles, definite struggles. Oh my god, it looks amazing. It looks amazing. Just look at the texture. It looks like a wafer, no?
Very good.
Divyansh, पापा को भी दे दे please.
हाँ.
Perfect.
Just
It's good. I like it.
मतलब ये जो फ्लेवर है ना हमें लगता है ये मीडियम में रखा हुआ है. मतलब पोटैटो चिप्स एंड सॉल्ट.
Yeah.
तो जिसको जो पसंद है आई थिंक उसके लिए बहुत अच्छा है ये.
Yeah.
क्योंकि कोई मसाला नहीं है. बल्कि लगता है कि ओनियन प्लस सॉल्ट एज वेल एज पोटैटो चिप्स.
All right.
So I think from my side I will rate higher than 7.5.
7.5. I liked it a lot actually. I'll try it once more. I liked it a lot actually, yeah. And the chip look like the chips we have in Indian bakeries. It looks like a wafer, potato wafer. It's good. I like the texture. I like the taste. I will give it a solid 8 out of 10. Solid 8 out of 10. What did you think, Divyan?
आई एम क्या बोलते हैं मैं इसको दूंगा क्या बोलते हैं 10 में से 9 दूंगा.
9. How did you like it?
काफी टेस्टी है वाला.
Tasty है ना?
Amazing.
Amazing ना?
Amazing.
This was also pretty good. So yeah, keep it up. All right then. All right. We have the classic Twix bar. We have this in India, but this one is imported. So let's see how this turns out to be. I've tried the Indian Twix bar and I quite like it a lot because I've seen Seinfeld, they've used Twix bar a lot, and George Costanza, shout out to him.
Come on! Jump!
So yes, I'm pretty excited for the Twix bar. Let's open this up. Let's
Yeah,
open
sure.
this up. All right, Divyansh. Opening. He's opening. He's putting his whole effort into opening this one bar, and he does it. Whoa!
It was amazing.
Looks very different. Doesn't it look different? It's like Mars bar, right?
Yes. बहुत
Interesting.
लुक वाइज तो बहुत अच्छा है.
Yeah.
अब इसको खोला जाए.
Yes.
Wow.
Ooh.
Just see. What is this?
Caramel.
wow.
Oh god,
Good.
that was a good pull down.
Let's see what is it.
Perfect. Oh, Divyansh here goes to the gym, so he won't eat a lot of sweet, right?
चलेगा थोड़ा सा.
चलेगा थोड़ा सा.
It was tasty. It was very very tasty.
Hmm?
मैं इसको 10 में से 10 दूंगा.
10 में से 10 यार. I love the taste. Crunchy, very caramelly, very chocolatey, just a perfect blend of chocolate and other flavors. A very good bar. Twix bar, 10 on 10. Perfect flavor.
मैं एक्चुअली चॉकलेट कम खाता हूँ
All right.
तो डिप्रिशिएट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं,
Yeah.
लेकिन फिर भी इसको खाने में मेरे को जो लगा इसका जो टेक्सचर इसका जो आया है,
Yeah.
जैसे हनी चॉकलेट एंड बहुत से अच्छे मतलब जैसे लगता है कि कुछ अंदर गया हुआ है मुंह के अंदर,
Yeah.
तो आई विल रेट 8
8,
out of 10.
8 on 10. All right. That was our Twix bar. Twix bar didn't disappoint. I would say that. You guys want to try Twix bar with Cool Ranch?
No, never tried
All right. Then we'll move on to the next one. All right. Then next up we have coming Lay's Stacks cheddar flavor. Pretty excited for this one. Looks very Pringleized packaging. Looks very bulky. I like the quantity of it all. Let's see how this turns out. This time, our father will open it up. Do the honors, father.
जस्ट सी इसका एक्चुअली जो डब्बा है ना
Yeah.
मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा ये,
Yeah, no, I like it.
जैसे किसी का अंदर बहुत कॉस्टली चीज अंदर रखी हुई है
हाँ.
उस तरह का वो है. लेट्स सी.
Yeah, in India, it's quite common to use such boxes for storing kitchen spices and jewelries and stuff. Yes.
Wow. Good.
And when you open the box and when you find, oh, it's spice, you'll always have that one disappointment on your. Okay. Interesting. Very interesting. Very interesting. Just look at this chat. Look at this chat.
देखो वन साइड में देखो क्या है, थोड़ा सा ऑरेंज कलर का कुछ है.
It's
दूसरी
cheddar.
side-
It's cheese.
What is this?
Yeah, it's cheese.
Cheddar
Cheese.
flavored. Okay.
Cheese. How did you like it, the band?
अच्छा है काफी.
अच्छा है ना?
हाँ.
It's very Pringle, but the flavor is very good. The cheese flavor you don't see in Pringles, but the texture is very Pringly. This product is imported. You don't find this in India, but I like this. This was a solid product for me. यार मैं तो बहुत enjoy किया. I enjoyed it a lot, and I'm gonna have this. You gonna have one with me, Divyansh? Perfect. I'm gonna try this with the ranch.
And guys, I am also.
How do you like it?
Made
Father?
in Mexico.
Made in Mexico.
Wow.
Mexico represent. All right. How do you like it?
इसके साथ ही
Abuelita.
इसके साथ तो और भी टेस्टी लग रहा है.
Yeah, right. But I like this as a standalone as well. I love the flavor. I mean,
बहुत
just
अच्छा है.
look at
बहुत
it, bro. The cheese is just loaded. It's just loaded.
I will rate 9 out of
9. 10 on 10. Perfect.
मैं भी 10 में से 10 दूंगा इसको.
All right. That was a very tasty flavor. I love cheese. I just love cheese. I love any chips that is loaded with cheese. It's automatically a W for me. Perfect. We'll move on to the next now. This is the Maltesers. Maltesers is quite common, but you don't find it in India. I'm pretty excited. Just look at it, father. Doesn't it
What
look
is this actually?
different?
Malt.
Maltesers.
Yes.
All right. We'll try it.
Okay, this one.
Open it up, father. Open it up, father. Open it up. I'm so excited. Oh, open it. Perfect. That was a perfect opening.
Oh.
All right, father. Maltesers. I've tried Maltesers one. I love it. Bro, Americans are really good with creating snacks. I'm not even gonna lie. They are onto something. Their R&D is onto something. God damn, that was heaven. 10 on 10. I won't even put into words my love for this flavor. कैसा लगा भाई?
ये भी काफी ज़्यादा टेस्टी है और मैं इसको दूंगा 10 में से 9 दूंगा मैं.
10 में से 9 क्यों? 1 पॉइंट क्यों काटा?
एक पॉइंट इसलिए मतलब मेरे को थोड़ा बहुत किंडर जॉय ऐसा लगा ये।
किंडर जॉय, या सही बोल रहा है।
हाँ।
तो किंडर जॉय फ्लेवर तो था।
मेरे को अच्छा लगा 9।
9 Maltesers, you did not disappoint. All right. We have the classic Dr. Pepper with us. Dr. Pepper is like Campa Cola of cold drinks for America. It's a classic, but Coca-Cola is quite popular in the whole world. They have branded themselves as a global product, but Dr. Pepper is specific American flavor. Apparently, everyone loves Dr. Pepper. I've never tried Dr. Pepper, but we'll figure it out now. Are you excited?
आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड।
All right.
Give me a little.
Perfect. We'll give one glass to our father. We'll give one glass to Divyansh. We'll give
देखो कोई
one glass
कंफ्यूज
to
मत होना,
myself.
ये है ना?
This is not
Cold
any
mix.
drink that you might be thinking.
दिस इज लाइक ओनली कोल्ड ड्रिंक।
Cold
It's
mix.
just a cold drink.
Soft
Cough
drink.
syrup. This looks.
Soft drink.
This tastes like cough syrup. L. I hated it. What the hell even was that? It tastes like cough syrup. Tastes like orange flavored cough syrup. What was that? I didn't like it at all.
मेरे को अच्छा लगा है।
You liked it?
I am
क्यों
also-
लग रहा है बता। जैसे कोका कोला और पेप्सी पीते हैं ना,
Yeah.
तो उसमें कार्बोनेटेड जो उसका जो फील आता है
हाँ।
वो इसमें नहीं आ रहा
वो
है।
इसमें नहीं आ रहा।
इसमें लगा कि हाँ मैं इसको कंज्यूम कर रहा हूँ, और कोई ऐसा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो भी उसमें जो एग्रेटेड जो गैस इसमें मेरे को लगता है कि ये सिंपल है, ये
हाँ।
काफी अच्छा है, सॉफ्ट।
मेरे को भी क्या बोलते हैं, मैं इसको अगर 10 में से दूंगा तो मैं क्या बोलते हैं 5 ही दूंगा, क्या बोलते हैं।
You didn't like it.
हाँ मतलब 50-50।
Alright. Yeah, but father had a point. That was for sure. The carbonation for this drink was very less compared to Coca-Cola.
वैसे इसको हम 7.5 देंगे,
6 on 10.
क्योंकि
Bawasir.
कोका कोला वैसे हम इसको कंज्यूम ज्यादा नहीं करते हैं,
Yeah.
इसी वजह से, लेकिन ये मेरे को परफेक्ट लगा,
It was very consumable.
कंज्यूमेबल।
Yeah. All right. We are done with all our flavors.
काफी मजा भी आया।
मजा आया?
मजा आया।
I just want my guests to have fun.
और
Do you
nice review for this snacks, Latin snacks, and hope for the next review in, I think in next few days time.
All right.
We'll
Yes.
meeting it there.
We will.
Okay.
Gonna
Yeah.
make a series out of this. Thank you so
Sure.
much for coming.
So,
Father.
Siddharth, thank
Thank you
very
so much for coming, Divyansh.
for you.
I hope you guys had a good time. Like, share, and subscribe. We are planning something even bigger than this. We'll go global. We'll try every product in all parts of the world. But if you like it, comment in the chat box how much you liked it. Like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one.